Hey everybody, it's Anna, and today I got two of the extra Barbies, and I wanted to open two of them, but I already opened one of them to see how they look. And she has these cool blue jeans, and she has have the ruffles on it, and she has the big pink fluffy jacket that I really like, and she has a 3 necklace and a silver shirt and a blue gummy bear on her hand and cool sunglasses. So let's get into the video. Okay, this is the first one, so let's unbox it real quick. So this is what she looks like. She has really blue curly hair with a bun on top. She has earrings, and she has a blue jacket that really zips up. And I really like her white shorts and her bracelet and her other bracelet and her pink watch and the pocket thing, and then the tie-dye shirt, the yellow shoes, and I really like her. So she also came with these two cats, this yellow headphones, I wish I had headbands, and this cool silver glasses that I really like, and the skateboard, and it really rolls. So yeah. Next up we have the 1980s old dance move Barbie, and we're gonna open. So here's the dance move Barbie. She's really old. The rubber band snapped, you can see, and her hair's crimped that I really like. She comes with a microphone, a pair of headphones, this music box, this pink brush, and she came with these cool hoop earrings, and we might wash some of these, so we will come back when we have the first one washed up. So here's the close-up of her. We just finished her hair wash, curling her hair, and we just put on her accessories back on. And the dance moves Barbie, we have to do it off camera because it takes too much time. So I hope you like this video and subscribe and leave a like and share this video. So bye.